It is not only MTN people doing it too. It is not only MTN people doing it too. The banks are also doing it because GCB, Ghana Commercial Bank, will put the year 3,000. They stole my 3,000 Ghana cedis. Because when they took my 3,000 Ghana cedis, I went to the bank to launch a complaint. One of the teller was like, I think one of the, I don't know, black decks. He told me, say, they cannot do anything about it. And I started barking. I started barking like a dog. And then there was this woman, be or still there, or the phone be and I will feel it, and this and that, and they will return the money, and they will investigate and stuff. That day, I had my 3,000 with an interest. Because they thought, say, I will come out and then speak what they did. Speak out what they did. They give me my 3,000 with interest on top. What's my say? So they think, oh, it is not only MTN doing all these things. So I don't know if it is MTN, but say MTN phone yes say it is very bad. But how can you MTN people promise us say our money and anything that we do in our accounts are very, very secure and safe? Moton Ghana card, our own nationality card, you people sold it to us. Our own Ghana card, you guys sold those Ghana cards to us. How? Fine, more Ghana card MI say you register your networks and even bank accounts and stuff. Yet too, people are hacking into our accounts and stealing our money. How is that possible? Can we trust you guys again? Now, me the actually move say Echo Bank. Every year, 600 cities. I have evidence. If they like, they should come for me. We will go to court. I have my evidence up to date. Echo Bank for every year 600 cities. I called them. I told them they were asking me, say, and did I buy anything online? What am I buying with 600 cities online? Physical program, we even want delivery before payment. And I'll use my 600 cities to buy something online. What do you mean? So guys, now see, the system is so corrupted.